In this video, we are going to see that if we want to fit a large sheet into a dashboard, how we can do that. For that, we will insert a sheet first, make an analysis of a larger data, and then we will see how we can adjust that into the dashboard. So let's take an example. Let's insert a new sheet, sheet number 8. Let's change it to test bulk data, let's say. Okay. And let's say that we want to find out the date wise sales. Let's put the sales amount in the data, and this is arranged year wise. So if you want to change it to, let's say, different quarters, or let's say different months, we can also arrange it by weeks. So okay, the week is perfect. More number, click on week numbers, and this is how you can do it. As you can see, the data has a lot of rows. Now if we select a new dashboard, because we just want to test this feature in the new dashboard, let's put this data, test bulk data. I'll just put it anywhere, and you can see that we are in the floating style. So that means we can adjust it however we want. We have a total flexibility. Now, because the data involves a lot of rows, that's why we have the scrolling function at the right hand corner. But if we want to adjust or customize the format, as you can see, there is a lot of white space that we want to cover. Just click on this more options. And if you actually want to go to sheet to view the data, you can click on this option and it will take you back to the sheet. But let's just go back. The second option is you can duplicate the sheet. You can fit it however we want. It's fit with the standard functionality, but if we fit it to width, you will see that it will occupy the complete area. The larger area you select, the more area it will take, and it will show you like this. So this is much better than the earlier one where there was a lot of white space. So instead of that, it's preferred to adjust it by width, or you can also adjust it by height. So what this does is this will put all of the data in a single view. The target of this is to adjust it within this height of the box and adjust all the data there. But obviously it's not readable. So in this kind of conditions where the data is much larger in quantity, we have fit width option that works much better than that. So let's change it to entire view as well. And entire view, similarly, it has adjusted all the weeks and the numbers within the data. If we have a lot of space, that's fine. It might be readable like this. As you can see, in a single data, we have week 1 till week 53 all shown here. So if you want to take the printout of it and you have limited area, what you can do is just spread across the complete dashboard and you can easily take the print of it. But if you want to adjust multiple data, let's say we want to adjust it like that, and we have a couple of charts down here, then it's preferred to fit it by fit width. Now in this cases where you want to fit it in a dashboard, the benefit of fit width is you only have to scroll it from right, and you don't have a double scrolling option. So that's one benefit. And also, let's say that we want to adjust the row height, we can just adjust a little bit and it will automatically adjust all the fields. And similar thing, you can do it for columns as well. So you can adjust the data accordingly and then use fit width function. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.